3. Hi, I'm Patty Lorenzo, and I am a student career and college navigator for the Foundation for Lee County Public Schools. Welcome to the 2021-2022 STEM at Work end of year event. I would like to show you what you guys are going to get in your bags. You're going to get a bag. You're going to get 3 marbles inside of a container. You're going to go ahead and get a toilet paper tube. You're going to go ahead and get 8 pipe cleaners. You're going to get 3 different sized cardboard tubes. You're going to get duct tape. You're going to get 2 zip ties. You're going to get a pair of scissors, and you're also going to get a 90-degree PVC elbow. Also, I'd like to go over the packet real quick where you're going to have stages, and you're also going to have roles and responsibilities for each student. Number 1, teams will have until their specified lunchtime to complete the challenge. Each packet has all of the worksheets you will need to complete and return to judges. Each team member will take on a role and complete their responsibilities, and you may only use the materials that are provided to your team in the bag or that are purchased with your tickets.
Hi, I'm Kelly Thawley, Career Specialist for the School District of Lee County in the Career and Tech Ed Department. In addition to all of the supplies that are going to be in your bag, the ruler, the scissors, everything else, you're also going to get 2 pool noodles, and you're going to have your pegboard. These will already be set up. Please remember that you can use the wall to lean your marble run against, but you may not attach it to the wall with any sort of materials. Another tip to keep in mind, scissors when you're holding like this, please. And if you want to use your pool noodle, you can use your scissors, open them this way, and you can cut right down the middle that way. Keep in mind that you will have judges circulating to ensure expectations of the challenge are met. Your team will also be given 5 tickets to purchase extra supplies from the extra supplies materials bin. You may also trade or barter with other teams for their unused supplies.
Hi, I'm Karen Dugas. I'm with B&I Contractors. We are a sponsor of the Marble Run and many things here at the foundation. This is what a completed run that we prepared as team members. You will have up to 5 times to successfully do a 3 to 6 second run in front of the judges. You may not touch the structure during the run in any way, shape, or form. The only thing you're allowed to touch is your marble. Please refer to your rubric for opportunities for more points, and the tiebreaker will be determined in an interview with panel of judges. Okay, we're going to do a couple runs just to see how this works. Here we go. Oh, that one didn't work. Here's another one. Oh, that one didn't work either.
You get 5 tries.
5 tries you get for this. Ugh. Hope you guys are better than me. There you go. Good luck.